Hey guys, have you been wanting to create a gaming or reaction video channel, but you don't know how? Well, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a gaming or reaction video channel by using a screen recorder and a Facecam. So, let's get started. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's Rachel from Miska Rachel, the channel where we have miscellaneous videos every week. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create your gaming channel or your reaction video channel for free. It's really easy. So, guys, let's get started. Come on. So the first thing that you are going to want to do is open up your web browser. Now, guys, this works on Windows, Mac, or Linux, so it doesn't really matter what web browser you use. Now, normally, if you're using Windows, you're probably going to use Google or Microsoft Edge. And if you're using Mac, you're probably going to use, Safari or maybe Chrome. But anyways, guys, so you're going to go to this website called obsproject.com. Press enter. This is a completely safe site. Do not worry. Now, Windows, Mac, or Linux. We are running Windows currently, so that's what I'm going to press. Wait for this to download and install. It shouldn't really take so long, but I can pause the video. You know what, never mind, it's almost done. Okay. Also, by the way, if you were having problems with the download, you could just press the try again button. Alright, do you want to allow this to make changes to your device? You could press yes, it's probably going to tell you that. And now, here we go. Welcome to the OBS Studio 25.0.8 setup. Now follow the steps. You're going to press next, next, install. Well, if you're running Mac, you might not have to do that. I don't really know. I've never had a Mac before. But if you're running Linux, then it's pretty much going to be the same thing. The download should take pretty fast. At this point, you could probably even exit. Okay, this is probably what it's going to look like. It does look a little bit complicated, but I'll walk you through the steps. It's really, really easy to set up. Alright, the first thing you are actually going to want to do is follow where my mouse goes. See the square over here? Just press the plus button. Then press display capture. And then click on OK. Now press OK. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your mouse and press the plus symbol once again. This time, what you're going to do is you're going to press the video capture device. Then you're going to click on OK. It shouldn't take too long before you pop up. Click OK again, and there I am in the corner. Yes, you can move around the camera. You can move around the background. But when you minimize the application while you're recording, you know what? We'll get to that soon. The first things first is that how do you start recording? Well, see where my mouse is over here? It says stop recording. Well, it only says stop recording because I am recording right now. However, for you, it just says start recording. So press that. Once you press start recording, you just have to minimize the application. And then when you're done, you could just cut that out of the video. So you would press the minus button. One thing you will notice when you are in your desktop is that you don't see yourself. You don't see that little window with you in it. But don't worry, it is still recording. You are still being recorded, so you don't have to worry, even though you can't see yourself. The only reason why they do that is that you could press things where the video should be. Makes it easier. Anyways, back in the application, there's not really much you need to know, except here's something very important. Most video editors for YouTube can't really take any other format besides MP4. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here to settings. And you are going to want to play around a little bit with the settings. You should check them out. Your stream, you could stream on Twitch. I find that very cool. But one thing you're going to know, right now I can't change it because I'm recording. However, when you're not recording, tap on where it says MP4. For you, it should be another format because it automatically sets to another format. However, click on that and change it to MP4 and then click on OK. Don't just exit, click on OK. And then there you have it. You have your MP4 video and it will automatically save to your desktop to your videos. If you want to do a reaction video, you just have to open up your file explorer and find the video you want to do. And then just open up this application and press start recording and minus everything. And you could cut out any extras. So, anyways, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe to join Miss Rachel. But guys, wait 1 second. When you look down below, one thing you're going to notice is that there are no comments. Why? Well, YouTube has been disabling my comments. So if you want to leave a comment, there will be a link in the description as well as a link to the website. The link in the description will take you to an unlisted video where YouTube allowed me to have comments. So you can leave your comment there. Either specify what video it is for, or just write something down and I bet I can figure it out. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know if this works in that comment video and have an awesome day.